You can now program your Finch bot online exclusively with Chromebook and Chrome applications. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with your Finch bot and Snap programming. You can use our Chrome apps for Finch and Snap in a Chromebook or if using the Chrome browser with Windows, Mac, or Linux. Starting things off, we'll need to download the Finch Connection app. To do so, head to the Chrome Web Store through the browser. Once you have the store on screen, type Finch Connection app into the search option. Next to the description for the app, you'll have the option to add the Finch Connection app to your Chrome apps. Select Add to Chrome. Once the app is downloaded, you'll be able to open it up right there. For later use, you can also open the app from the app page in the Chrome browser. Quick note number 1. If you are using Chrome on a Mac, you may have to disable AppNap to ensure that your programming runs smoothly. Disabling AppNap requires a few extra steps that take a little extra time. If you do think you need these instructions, please click the link below. With the Finch Connection app, you will be able to check the status of your Finch bot to make sure it is connected. Below the connection status, you will be able to select which interface you would like to launch the Finch in. Select the Snap option and a new tab will open for it in your Chrome browser. Now you will be able to program your Finch bot in Snap. Quick note number 2. If you have programs built and saved using our BirdBrain robot server, they will not work in Snap if you have launched the bot with the Finch Connection app. The projects are not interchangeable. To check out more of our tutorials on Finch and Snap programming, head to our YouTube channel.